Hey everyone, it's Pam, and okay, I might be a little late on this video, but it is What Is It Wednesday, and I go over some apps, and I went ahead and I did a couple for the clubhouse, their tips and tricks call for that I did on Wednesday. So, one app that we played around with is Orga, Organify or something like that. You'll see. And it was really fun. So I decided to share with you guys. So let's go ahead and go to apps. I'm on the front page. I'm going to go to apps. You can also get this if you're in a design. Okay, so one of the things that I always say is make your designs unique. And this is one way that you can do that. So we are going to type in origami or Origamiify. There we go. So it's add a touch of papercraft to your image. Okay. So here's one image and it turned it into this. It's real pretty. All right. So let's go ahead and use in a new design. I'm just going to do Facebook. And you can upload photos. You can use, let's see what it does. So I think it's going to want you to grab a photo from your desktop. Yep. All right. So we're going to choose a file. And I'm just going to grab one that I worked on that has some pretty colors to it. So let me just find it. You know what? Let's do this one. So it's working on it. Okay, so it popped it in here. Let's see this. That's really pretty compared to what the image was. Let me bring in the image too so we can see both of them. Okay, so uploads. And it automatically puts it in the uploads. That's nice. All right, so we're going to go down. And it was, I think this one. Yep. Okay, so here's the photo, and then it turned it into this. That's pretty awesome. Think about like if you have some photos that you like, oh, these are really pretty. I love the colors. Why don't you see if you can put them in here, use this app, and make some journal pages with it. Make a wall art, bookmarks, stuff like that. All right, so there we go. That is What Is It Wednesday, the app that I showed you. And you can also get to it from here. Go app, and it's called Origamiify. I'm pretty sure I'm not saying it right, but it's this one. And look at the difference. That is really cool. I really like it. Okay, so give it a try. Put one in the comments if you tried it out. I would love to see everyone do that. All right, bye.